The back and forth has got me so messed up. Don't ignore the signs. We've had enough of the whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're sinking? I need to find a way. Find a way. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way. Find a way out. Find a way out. Find a way. Find a way out. What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I?
Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Riding the Reaper here with Ginger Ninja. We just took some cinematics that you saw before, and you know, it's a nice chill day, nice day outside, so we thought we'd do some cinematics. And then this is basically a resurrection of the Reaper video, basically after the whole transmission rebuild. So this is also just to give you an update on how she's doing, and so far she's been doing well, right? I mean, she's still got the guy who did it, my friends over at Triangle Transmission, guy did it over. He said that it needs to settle in still, so the first 1,000 kilometers is going to be a bit, you know, she's still going to downshift and upshift weirdly like you just felt now, but then once she's settled in, she's going to perform fantastically. I haven't had any issues with her so far, besides a shudder when she's cold, and then pulling into coming down from, look at this, people, coming down from top gear, or from 4th or 5th back down to 2nd and 1st. So that's the issue, that's the only issue that I can pick up, is that shudder before she pulls down back into 1st. But other than that, she's performing quite well. Her pulls are much stronger, the gears up are much more smoother, much crisper. The performance wise, I don't think she's ever performed as well as what she's doing right now, or as long as I've had the car, she's never performed this well, basically. And I just think it's great. I'm really impressed with the way that she's performing right now. I can't wait to start modding. You saw that I did the wide gauges. I'll put a link to that here at the top. And we just got new LEDs, which I'm going to be installing soon, because those LEDs, as you can see on the video, they weren't the brightest, so I'm going to be doing that. Also the dash, I'm going to be replacing those LEDs as well, so I'm going to be replacing those LEDs as well. And then it's going to be like almost like a blue LED here in the middle and on the shifter as well. But as you saw on the cinematics, the gauges look fucking amazing. These white gauges, they just give it a more sporty look, more crisp, more clean, and it's better to read during the day. With those new LEDs, it's going to be better to read during the night as well. And as you just saw, did a nice little pull over there now, some tires squealing. The shifts are way better, the performance is way better, the speed, the takeoff off the line, everything. I mean, we haven't had issues so far with any of that. Just like I said, that shudder, but once she gets warm enough, that shudder goes completely away when she's dropping down gears. I mean, right now I think we're in third, and she'll drop down and there's no shudder. There's just the shudder on the way to the place. But like that guy said, like my friend Mark said, Triangle Transmissions, that she's gonna have to, you know, get used to all the new components and stuff, because it is a electric or electronic gearbox. But she's shifting smoothly, as you can hear. She's not jerking into shifts. They're nice and smooth, nice and crisp, nice and clean.
And that long shift that you were waiting for the whole time. Yeah,
that first to second gear. These cars tend to have a long first to second gear, and with this, it's actually been cut down quite a lot.
Yeah.
With the new. Remember, we also did the performance shifting kit as well. So the popo. So we also did the performance shifting kit in here as well. That's helping quite a bit as well. So that's also giving it that smoother, faster shifts. It's not that long shift. It's first to second. It tries and comes off the line very fast. It's almost like a drag racing kind of a setup for the gears, which is pretty awesome. I'm going to be doing, as soon as I get some funds, I'm going to be doing the differential as well. LSD is definitely going in limited slip diff, and also we're going to be putting the 373 gears in, which is going to boost the performance a hell of a lot. And then you know, from there do the smaller things. Hopefully by the end of the year I'm going to have my bucket seats in. I'm going for the Recaros. We found a nice pair of Recaros that look amazing. Amazing stitching. Yeah, by Racing Edge. It's a little place down the road. They do all performance parts and aftermarket and so forth. And they have a nice pair of Recaros that I can't wait to drop in. It's going to be amazing. So yeah guys, we're just pulling in now. That's the end of the video. Just a nice cinematic video, and then obviously to give you an update on our progress report on how the Reaper's doing. But that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, can't wait for the next one. Definitely looking at some car reviews that we're gonna do. Yeah. Got some great car reviews lined up, so yeah, can't wait for that.
The video after this will be my video, what we're going to do to the car.
Yeah, what we're going to be doing on the Golfie, the Golf, the Mark 1 project that we got going. His car that we got going, that we're also going to be building up. So that's another car for the channel, basically another build up video. So yeah, once got the funds rolling in and those kinds of things, we're going to get started on that project. But anyway guys, hope you enjoyed. Riding the Reaper, peace out.